Nigerians, I want you to pay good attention. I want you to understand this. What the elite has been doing now has surfaced to the earth that we shall understand. We shall understand. If you are a youth in Nigeria and a youth in Africa, you must know that this is the better tools which the elites are using to subdue the youths of Africa and the youths of Nigeria. Nigerians, pay attention. You are clamoring for bad leadership. Bad leadership comes from a man or group of people who have sworn that things will not be done right in the country. Pay attention to me. One of the instruments that they are using in order to subdue Nigerian people, Nigerian youth, is election, party. In a situation where anyone who wants to vie for election will pay millions and millions and millions of money before his name will be written down in any political party. This is one of the points they are using to hold African youths, Nigerian youths hostage. They have held Nigerian youth hostage, that they are now the ladders of tomorrow, not the leaders of tomorrow. The ladder they use to amount to the throne of presidency, they amount to the throne of governorship, amount to the throne of ministers, senators, and the House of Representatives. Africans, Nigerians, you must arise now and say no to this. You must not be a billionaire before you become elected. The constitution of Nigeria, the constitution of every party should be rewrite. This constitution of Nigeria must be rewrite, that one must have millions before he can vie for election. That is the reason why the elites who have stolen our money in the recent time to hold us down. The elites who have stolen our money, the money they stole in far time, that is what they are using to hold us. Arise, Nigerian youths. I am calling on all of you right now to arise and let that constitution be rewritten. In Kenya, for instance, as a person who knows well in Kenya, Kenya has political parties ranging from ODM, Azimio Lumaja, and all the rest of the parties in Kenya. It is not only that. That one is a group party. They call it group party. But now in Kenya, there is an individual party which anyone who doesn't want to belong to any party can come out and still be voted for. But in Nigeria, it is not like that, because the old men in Nigeria are using this to hold the young people, because they know the young people has nothing. They have more money. But the good leadership can come from them. They use it to hold them by paying 100 millions in a political party in order for you to be a member, to contest for presidency, to contest for gubernatorial elections, to contest for Senate and the House of Representatives. Nigerians arise. Nigerians arise as you want to go for good governance, protest for good governance. Also go for the protest of removing such law that is in the system. Nigerian youth must arise. This is hypocrisy and wickedness. That is what these old men are using to hold the youth captive. Can't you do it? Can't you be elected? Can't you do what is right? Can't you build a hospital? Can't you build a good road, railways across the continent and across the country? Can't you? You can. So arise as you want to go for protest, for good leadership. Also go for protest to elimination of these laws. This nonsense must stop. This nonsense must stop. That is what they are using to hold us captive. If you don't have money, you cannot vie for election. This nonsense must stop in this generation in Africa. This idiocy must be removed from the mentality of the elites. We must no longer keep quiet and see things go wrong in our nation. This This nation needs a revive. This nation needs where? This nation needs an incubator to incubate us so that we will hatch well. This nonsense must stop. As a prophet, I will not keep quiet until things are done right. This is wonderful law. Let us start voting right away. Let this generation really realize its potentials and never be humiliated by the old men. The old men are not stronger than you. To run, you can run. To fly, you can fly. But the old men are holding us captive. We must arise from our slumber and say no to this impunity, wickedness, illegitimacy in our society caused by the old men. Everywhere it talks. If you talk, they will take you. If you do anything, they will follow you. But let us join hands together and say no to this. Talks will not have problem. We are the talks. The young people are the people that are used. Say no to it. Stop being a talk with Taurus to guide a man who is embezzling the fund and humiliating and raising you down like a fire. This nonsense must stop. This idiocy, high-handedness, and wickedness in the heart of the old elite must stop. It must stop as a matter of urgency. We must campaign against it. We must fight against it. We must do everything necessary to stop this menace. God bless all of you who want peace. And if you don't want peace, go and hug transformer.